Milk and honey both provide the body with a variety of critical nutrients. They provide several health benefits when combined, ranging from boosting the health of your skin and hair to aiding digestion, sleep issues, stamina, and bone health. Continue reading to learn everything there is to know about the benefits of milk with honey. If you found our video interesting so far, please like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. 1. Both milk and honey provide the body with a variety of critical nutrients. They have a wide range of health benefits when combined, from enhancing skin and hair health to assisting with digestion, sleep issues, stamina, and bone health. Continue reading to learn everything there is to know about the benefits of honey-infused milk. 2. Energy booster. The capacity to boost stamina is one of the well-known cold milk and honey benefits. When you drink a glass of the drink in the morning, you get carbohydrates, proteins, and other necessary elements to help you get a good start on the day. Honey is also known to increase metabolic rate, speeding up biological processes and providing you with all the energy you need to get through the day. 3. Helps with insomnia. Milk and honey have long been used as a treatment for insomnia and sleeping problems. Although they are each effective at promoting sleep, their effect is amplified when used together. Honey consumption causes the brain to release insulin as well as a substance called tryptophan. Tryptophan is turned to serotonin, a neurotransmitter that promotes emotions of well-being. Melatonin is produced when serotonin is transformed into melatonin, which aids in sleep. 4. Helps to maintain bone health. Milk is high in calcium, which is essential for bone health. Calcium intake alone, however, is insufficient to aid its assimilation into the bones. Honey and its enzymes have been discovered to help the body transfer nutrients. It enhances the body's calcium absorption, making drinking milk considerably more effective. Calcium levels that are healthy are beneficial to the bones. It's especially beneficial when people become older and their bones lose density and strength. 5. Antibacterial activity. Both milk and honey have antibacterial capabilities against microorganisms like Staphylococcus. However, when used jointly, they have a greater impact. Constipation, flatulence, and digestive issues have all been known to be cured by drinking warm milk mixed with honey. They also help to relieve colds and coughs and are effective against infections of the upper respiratory tract. 6. Relieves respiratory issues. Honey mixed with warm milk kills and flushes bacteria from the throat, making it easier to treat respiratory tract infections. It has traditionally been used to cure colds and coughs in traditional medicine. As a result, honey and milk are effective in both preventing and treating respiratory infections. 7. Stress reliever. Milk and honey have a calming impact on the body because serotonin is released in the brain, which aids in relaxing. It is also known to suppress cortisol levels, a stress hormone in the body. As a result, the hormone's damage to the internal organs is reduced. Honey's natural enzymes also have a mood-lifting effect. As a result, the next time you're stressed, think about having a glass of milk. 8. Fights stomach infections. The drink's antibacterial and antioxidant properties destroy harmful bacteria in the stomach to fight off infections. It restores the gut bacterial flora to normal levels and speeds up recovery. 9. It enhances concentration. The cooling impact of a glass of cold milk with honey aids attention and focus in all activities. The release of serotonin aids concentration, while the simple sugars in honey offer all of the energy required for mental or physical exertion. Aids in athletic performance. Number 10. Honey is an ergogenic acid that boosts athletic performance by slowly releasing energy over a lengthy period of time. Honey and milk can be consumed before and after an exercise to offer the required protein and carbohydrates to maintain optimal sugar levels and, as a result, glycogen replenishment. Milk with honey has skin and hair benefits. Honey and milk have specific benefits for the face and hair, in addition to being beneficial for overall health. 1. Promotes the appearance of healthy, glowing skin. Honey and milk include a number of essential nutrients that help to keep the skin smooth and supple. Proteins, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals help to stimulate healthy tissue formation from the inside out. Face packs produced from the mixture are particularly good at naturally moisturizing and cleaning the face. A milk and honey scrub with oatmeal is great for exfoliating and renewal of the skin. 2. Anti-aging benefits. Using honey and milk on the skin on a regular basis can help to slow down the aging process and decrease wrinkles. Milk and honey face packs perform wonders on the skin from the outside to maintain it healthy. Their antioxidant qualities protect the skin from free radical damage, which produces wrinkles, blemishes, and general degeneration. 3. It hydrates the skin. Maintaining the softness of the skin necessitates moisturizing. The skin becomes wrinkled and vulnerable to contaminants from the outside if it is not properly moistured. In the long run, it keeps the skin healthy by protecting it from infections, acne, and pollution damage. 4. Repairs hair that has been damaged. A honey and milk hair pack improves the vitality of damaged and wrinkled hair, leaving it smooth and lustrous. The hydrating impact of the pack strengthens the hair strands, giving it a smooth texture while maintaining its strength. It has the same effect as using a conditioner, but it's completely natural and free of chemicals. Are there any negative side effects to drinking honeyed milk? Milk and honey, like any other medicine, have their own set of adverse effects. Here are a few of them. Honey is high in simple sugars like fructose, glucose, and sucrose, as well as a variety of other carbohydrate kinds. Because it is high in calories, it might contribute to weight gain. If you're trying to lose weight, it's not a good idea. Infectious bacteria can be found in some varieties of honey, which can harm young children and people with weakened immune systems. Honey should be avoided by people who have bleeding issues. Honey should not be mixed with milk because it can increase the risk of bleeding. When you consume milk and honey on a regular basis, your body absorbs the lipids in the drink. It is caused by the fat content of both milk and honey. Lactose-intolerant people should avoid the milk and honey drink. Yogurt is a decent milk alternative because it has little to no lactose. Honey can cause nerve injury if consumed in excess due to the presence of grey-anotoxins, a type of nervous system poison. Some people are allergic to the substances found in honey, milk, or both. Allergies might range from moderate to severe as a result of this. Overall, milk and honey are two potent substances with a long list of health advantages. They may help with sleep quality, bone strength, and heart health, among other things. These meals, however, may have side effects and are not good for everyone. As a result, it's advisable to keep your intake in check and enjoy this combination as part of a well-balanced meal. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found our video interesting. Please like, comment and share.